at this very moment. But you're going to have to submit to some development time. How about the folks that have been doing this for 12 months or longer? Perhaps you've been doing it longer than 2 years. Heck, some of you probably have been doing it over 5, maybe even 10 years, and they've never found consistency or profitability. But you simply won't let it go, will you? You ever consider what those problematic things are that provide barriers to your development? Perhaps they have nothing to do with the things going on in the chart. Perhaps they're internal. Have you ever considered yourself pondering whether or not you deserve to be successful? And that sounds silly. Some of you may snicker to that, thinking, who would think that? I'm not submitting the idea that you are willingly and knowingly doing these things, but consider for a moment, perhaps you have such a deep-rooted event or a lack of just mental health.
Where's my
But
intro
perhaps
screen, man?
maybe you lost a parent, maybe you lost a spouse or a child, and that deep-rooted grief is gnawing at you internally, and perhaps that's been a barrier for you. Perhaps you don't believe you deserve to be successful, because to be successful and to be financially independent means that you've moved on. And some of us, whether we want to accept it or not, hold on to these things as mental barriers, living in deep-rooted self-guilt. Have you ever considered the possibility that the lack that you have in understanding the marketplace in a consistent capacity really has nothing to do with the trading? I can tell you, as a young man, when I first was introduced to the marketplace, I really wasn't that astute. I didn't have any real interest. I was intrigued.
Yo, people, welcome to New York session live stream, 17th of May 2022. My intro screen just stopped for some reason. I don't know why. But it's fine. It's fine. Alright, let's get that epic copyright-free music again. Otherwise I get striked. Right, that should do it. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Danny, Thomas, Derek, Eric, Jimmy, Stanley, welcome, man. Welcome, welcome. How about this London session, right? Holy moly, what volume. Just straight up from daily opening. 170 pips, 160 pips for GU. Straight up from daily opening, 120 pips for EU. Didn't even come into this equal lows, which I was expecting this morning actually. Just one rocket up. And then USD CAT is... USD CAT, I'm gonna avoid this one today, I think, because it's very slow. Look at this, just doing nothing. And then gold moving into our area of interest, right? Daily order block, and we'll have to see how price reacts when it gets there. So I'm gonna monitor gold for this session. Why are my lines screwed up? Get back in line. Right. Right, so let's look at gold today. Good, Dominic. Good, good. Salim, welcome, man. Ryan and Jimmy. So we need to trade up a little bit more, in my opinion. And then I'm gonna look for potential structure shift. Because we could potentially have accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. This is 4-hour perspective. We are in this fair value gap. There's still a fair value gap down here, and a little bit of it tapped a little bit in here. But if we can peak about around here, then this would be a discount area again. So that's what I'm waiting for. Good day, favor. Oh. Alright, so let's see what's gonna happen today. Zoom out a little bit. What is silver doing? Right, silver has equal lows too, so that's good. What's up, Godfrey? How you doing? But on weekly we have good targets on gold. You expect it to go bullish, Forest? Or what is your anticipation? I'm watching this too. It's pretty far away still. But yeah, eventually. So that's why we watch price action, right? We're not gonna just go in because we think something. We have to wait till we see something, which makes sense. ICT is back on Twitter. Yes, he's back on Twitter, guys. Yes, Forest guy down. Same. I'm expecting the same. There's still targets. So thinking about AMD potentially unfolding today. And I still wanted to trade up here. That would be favorable. Especially if it leaves these highs like it's right now, doing right now. Right, equal highs. I want January 28th low taken out. January 28th. Yes, same. And eventually these lows, because we have this small trend line going on right here. So there's liquidity here, here, here. And then these equal lows are just very, very equal. What's that daily OB level? It's the open of the order block on the daily. The order block is bigger, but it's just the opening price of that order block. So if we zoom in, it's the opening price of this bearish order block. Greetings from South Africa. Thanks for the session. I'm learning a lot every day. Thanks for your time, brother. No problem. Thank you for joining the stream, bro. Hey, brother, how can I create in PineScript the watermark for my chart? I will appreciate. I don't know. Somebody wrote it for me, so very much appreciated for the guy who wrote it for me. So yeah, I cannot do that myself. Get JPY hits into daily fair value gap plus OP and breaking down bearish. Get JPY. Price action was terrible. Yes, Ahmed. But it was just Rocket Man. GU is also potentially on the table for today. So I want an alert over here. Alright, so we're gonna leave equal highs behind on gold. And we have high impact news in 30 minutes or 28 minutes. So we have to stay vigilant. Even if I was looking to buy EU, it went too fast and didn't give me my setup unless I went all the way to 1 minute, but prefer 3 minutes as my lowest. Yeah, I feel you, Eric. I did not find an entry too. Mainly because it didn't even trade below daily open and we still had this equal lows here, which I don't like. So I would have liked this day to trade lower first, take out these lows, and then trade up. That would be more in sync with my own model. But yeah, it did not do that. So silver is breaking down faster. I'm gonna look at indices in a bit, guys. I'm focusing on gold and Forex at the moment first. When we are looking at OBs, which area is the most sensible? The wick and the first half of the body. So if you take, for instance, yeah, if you draw out your order block, then take the wick and then half of the body, and that should be the most sensitive area. But it can use the whole block. So if you hear a beep, it's my trading view. NAS 100 accumulating for longs to take equal highs and daily fair value gap fill higher. What do you see? I'll have a look in a bit, guys, on indices. DXY from Monday's perspective. Yesterday I thought I would have favored if we hit this fair value gap, but we didn't, unfortunately. And the target was this equal lows. Now there's still more targets lower, so I don't think we're done yet. But we'll have to wait for news. See what news does. Do we have premium trading view? Yes. I know I can split the screens and put them together. Am I looking for buys on gold? No, I want to short, but I would have preferred if it didn't leave these equal highs. So I wanted to run up higher first, still. So potentially we could head back into discount and then move back up here, and then that's my idea. That's what I want to see. Shady in the house. The real shady. Which tool do you use to draw fair value gap? I like how it has the CE line. It's the parallel channel. So you go to this, and then there's parallel channel. Then you click, hold shift, click another time, and then you can draw the fair value gap. Sir, could you show me how to trade with OB order block time frame and need confirmation? I cannot explain that in like right now. That's something you gotta practice and learn and back test and forward test, right? Because I studied very long, a lot. I studied a lot, so I cannot explain it in like 5 minutes here on stream, and then yeah. I see there's SMT on the weekly for EU and DXY. When do you anticipate a change in direction with regards to SMT, or do you want to see displacement? I mean, let's compare. Let's have a look. Right. Right, so EU weekly. Let me grab another chart because this one is full of lipstick. And then DXY weekly. There's SMT on the weekly. So where's the SMT? I see DXY making a higher high and EU making a lower low, so there's no SMT. Or maybe you mean the previous weekly low is taken out on DXY but not yet on Euros USD the high. Is that what you mean by SMT? Or do you mean the swing low and the swing high? Yo Harry, what's up? Look more left. I see. No, I don't think this will stay intact. I don't think so. It doesn't have to get taken out in this week or the coming weeks, but I would more look at like a monthly SMT, I guess, then. Yeah, it's better on the monthly. Oh no. Hold on, let me remove this. TXY, and then remove. Pop. It's back. Right, so yes, there's SMT right now. This is SMT. Again, more than 100 viewers. Welcome, guys, everyone. Appreciate you guys being here. Oh, almost got cramp in my leg. Oh, shit. That's what you get for sitting down all day, right? So, see, I just said these equal highs are not favorable for me, so it's good that I waited. I don't want to see that stuff. If I want to sell, I definitely don't want to see equal highs. Right, and then in the 15 minute, we entered the fair value gap and rejected. So I really wanted to trade up here first, before I'm gonna be confident there is at least a retracement or a sell-off. I know how to use multiple charts in one screen without paying anything. If you help me with that, I can show you how. What do you mean, Josh? I don't know. Wait, how to use the standard deviation to predict daily extremes? Yeah, that's not something I'm gonna explain on stream, sorry. I will do like order blocks, breaker blocks and that kind of stuff, but range projections are not gonna be discussed on stream. How many times you have done backtest ICT? Man, so many. So much. Yeah, a lot. I'm like that. I'm like a crack addict when it comes to simulation and backtesting and that kind of stuff. Because sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and then I just go to my computer and then start up the simulation and then start backtesting. Try to improve every day. Good morning, Trader Noob. How are you doing? Salim, please like. Yeah, you're right, Salim. Because we don't want this guy who calls me every stream, right? He's gonna call again if we don't hit the like button. That's true. So thank you, Salim, for notifying. For me personally, I need to see a swing high-low respected by a secondary swing high-low before I consider SMT to be confirmed. Yes, that's more sensible indeed. And we have high impact news in 15 minutes, guys, so price probably gonna be consolidating a little bit right now, so I have to wait. We've gotta wait, because there's still liquidity up here, see? So it's trading down again, but I don't trust this at all. At all. Sahil, it's fun being here, thank you. Good. And if it's, I hope it's fun and you learn something. That should be good. Macaroni, bandits, boo. Boo. Abdi, welcome man, I'm good. What about you? We got that high impact news shenanigans going on right now. Just price just dropping 20 pips in 1 minute. Gold. Crazy. Crazy. Right. Yeah, we'll have to wait for the news to hit first, guys. There's high impact news in a bit, so. How do you backtest? I use a software for simulation, and then you get previous data where you can. I have it on my YouTube too. I just recently posted a simulation session on price ranges, so if you haven't watched that one, then you can check it out. And that's the simulator I use. We'll have a look in indices later, guys. Right now I'm watching gold and Forex. Hassan, bro, need a little bit of help with New York session. Sometimes New York gives retracement, sometimes it continues. Could you please share your input and on this as to what to look for in New York? Depends on how London session traded. If you want to see a classic buy day, you want to ideally see it trade below daily opening. Not more than 1 or 2 standard deviations, and then a nice bullish move, and then you can expect a retracement in New York for OTE, and then continuation. And yeah, it depends on the daily profile. So looking for sell in GU. Yes, me too later if the structure allows it. Hello Aldane, how are you doing? Sometimes you scalp, or do you want to be as day trader? I do both. Depends on the market conditions. Force guy, I agree with you, man. I think news will run out the highs. This is just what I'm anticipating, something like this, and then news hits, runs out the highs, and then we can go down. That would be 20 pip sweep. That should be good. So that's something I would expect with news, but we have to wait for structure. Do you expect EU manipulation to the downside to reach OTE and fair value gap on 15M before running equal highs? What equal highs? I was actually waiting for this down here, so I've put in the profile I was anticipating this morning, the reversal in New York, so I'll wait for my anticipation first and see what happens. Can you become good at trading without having a computer? I would say no. Just because it's hard on the phone to do proper annotations, in my opinion. How can I get a simulator? I actually have a affiliate link if you want to support me, but otherwise you can go to Soft4FX. That's what the simulator is called. Good morning, Mafus Elahi. Sorry for my bad English. What videos Michael showed the different types of data templates, models, and what should you wait? I don't think it's on his YouTube, but watch the Market Maker series. I'm pretty sure there is some explanations. Thank you, Thomas. Much appreciated as always, man. Are you waiting in a POI fair value gap for a 5-minute change of character, I guess that means. I'd rather see 5-minute Philip than a 1 minute, because 1 minute can be a little bit of noisy. Definitely need the laptop or computer. True. Hard to see your chart on a small screen. Oh, my bad, Dominic. Do you have a TradingView affiliate link? No. For the soft for FX simulator, I have one. But you can also buy it just on the website. You don't have to use my affiliate link. How standard deviation marked in the chart? Asia session or Asia range. 8 p.m. till 12 a.m. So news is in 7 minutes. No OT, that's for trading on phones. Yours is all good. Oh, like that. I see. Oh, somebody asked if I could remove this to watch it better. So there you go. Someone always asks me if I can remove it. So today we remove it. Yes, Landry. I'm still new to indices trading, but I always trade Forex, and I just put gold in my repertoire for about a few months ago, so GJ to 162. I mean, from the market outlook, if you guys watched it, I was bullish on GJ. There's a short-term high over here in this range. We're right now in this bigger range. We're in OTE and we're moving away, so that makes sense. Now we're in this range, right? So I would expect it to draw all the way up here. So 162 is definitely on the table. And there's a weekly fair value gap up here, so right, so GU and EU are sort of breaking down right now, so that's actually good. But I have to wait for the news. Gotta wait. Do you prefer Philip? Change of character is from another style, right? I mean, it's called market structure shift. So, in my opinion, but I know what you mean, like change of character. I'd like to see a body close, Philip, but the wick is sometimes sufficient. Is it necessary that Asia session must be more than 20 pips? Yes. Favorably, yes. Right, so news in 4 minutes, and then we'll have more information. I bought the weekly low of GJ as yesterday was classic buy template. Yes, perfect. Yeah, Thomas is just another term, I guess. It's from smart money concepts, I guess. Yeah, JPY bro, can you take a look? Sell on the table. Let me see, Thomas. Mm-hmm. I see. Yeah, if this is high of the day on London session, then looks good. Looks choppy though. I don't know. But yeah, we're in premium. We took out relative equal highs. We're almost structure shifting on the 15, so that's good too. So yeah. Do you use Asia ranges on gold too? Yes. Yes, Forest. What's the gray zone you have on gold at OTE? That's a breaker. On the 15, I think. I marked it out. Or on the 3 minute. And it hit it. So I was expecting price to bounce from there. Alright, in 30 seconds then the news is out. You miss Zoom and the Indian guy with sunglasses. Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty funny. But he looked good though. He was a good looking man. Yeah, the Zoom had 100 participants last time. It was full. We never had that. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. Damn. Did wick down. What was that? Like 33 pips wick down. She's and GU, EU. So run on stops of this low. And I really wanted to trade higher, otherwise I'm not gonna participate on gold. So if it would run lower, then I would say gold is off the table for me. Because I really want to see certain things happen, right? Already in bro, CJ Sell from London, nice. Then hold on to it. I'm back, had to take a look at the EU and I'm seeing possible reversal. Yes, I'm waiting for that too. What is the gray zone? Yeah, I already read that one. Whoops. Hey, don't show me your indicators this here. You're from Georgia. Nice. What's the weather there? It's so humid and hot here in the Netherlands right now, so... Oh, I read that there was like a 49 degrees Celsius heat wave in India. If you're from India, I wish you luck and good health. Right, GU is moving. The legend. Don't show me your indicators. Zoom is always popping now. Yeah, it is. Alright, so pockets of liquidity down here. And potentially we're going into the sell side of the curve. So GU is gonna be on my watch list right now. Then we have this one, this one. Oh, you're studying medicine in Georgia? Ah. Yeah, I knew you were Indian, so I was just wondering, or maybe I forgot where you were from, but yeah. Do, do. What are you looking for today, indicator guy? Alright, EG, it would be favorable if EG goes bullish. If you want to sell GU. What's hot in the Netherlands? 20? I mean, I get hot quickly, so I mean, it's only like the thing is in the Netherlands, if it's 20 degrees, because it's so humid here, it's not like a dry heat. It's like um, yeah, humid. So it's just I don't know how to say. It feels warmer than it actually is. Tom, I'm not sure if this approach is appropriate to ask. I'm curious whether your day job is related to trading, knowing how big an industry this is in the Netherlands. No, I am a chef. I'm a chef. Euro done for now, live session. I guess you caught the buys. I mean, I potentially think you went in over here, but you want to visit Amsterdam and smoke some good shit. Man, I smoked so much in my life. Yeah, but it was nice. It was nice. That boy Hunter FX is a straight hater. I don't know who that is. I try to focus on myself, not other people. Maybe we should wait until Fed Chair Powell's speech later today to see any big movement. I mean, could happen. There's still no bearish order flow right now, because we're disrespecting PD arrays. This 1 minute should have stayed respected and didn't happen. We've gotta wait some more. Let me put an alert here before I forget to watch gold, and then it comes into my PY and then I forget it. Exactly at M5 plus BB. Nice. Yes, so nice. I know where you're looking at, but I did not get in. Big pump today. Pretty good. Pretty good. Right, gold. Let's go to the POI. Danny, 22cc and 22C and 60% humidity is nice weather. I mean, it's most of the time it's like 100% humidity here. If it rains one time. Gold leaving equal lows. Yeah, sort of. I still wanted to rate these equal highs before I consider anything. Really appreciate it. Don't show me your indicators. Really appreciate it. Need more content about determining bias because it's the most difficult. True, true. I have one video on it. And ICT has a video on it on his YouTube too. Keys to the daily bias, I think it's called. So great commitment, cook and trading. Yeah, it's tough sometimes. Disarray. I work like combined with cooking and then trading. It's committing like 70 hours a week of my time to work, I guess. GU doesn't want to go, and that's because of EG going bearish, potentially, yeah. Yeah, EG wants to go into this unmitigated order block, in my opinion. Because I feel like in a higher time frame we're in a buy area, but order flow is pretty bearish at the moment, so don't want to counter trend it at the moment. US 100? Yes, in a second. DXY, what are you doing? Just hang around for now. Yeah, so in the current range, we're still in a premium. And if we take this smaller range, we hit discount for now. Then on a daily, we have an unmitigated order block down here, and also weekly fair value gap. Yes, so I would say higher time frame is shifting to bearish. But we have to deal with the smaller ranges too, right? Because the price doesn't go in one move down, it just goes up and down and up, down. US oil is at the 1 hour unmitigated OB. What, a bearish one or a... I would be a little bit aware of these lows. But if you believe this is the OB where we're gonna move bullish from, then sure. For me personally, I don't like these lows. Yeah, and the 4 hour fair value gap did not get tapped too, so... Do whatever you think is right. For me personally, these lows not favorable, and we have this 4 hour fair value gap. I mean, it doesn't have to go in here, and it can stay, and it can leave this intact, because we're very close to buy side liquidity. Yeah, it's something you gotta consider yourself. Alright, so if gold needs to go bullish from here. Because we have these equal highs up here, right? We're in discount. We hit an OB. This is a smaller range, so we should head bullish. And we have these equal highs up here, so... As ICT says, Forex price action is bad, yes. Yeah, it's not too good at the moment. The eye doesn't lie, right? Ah, damn. What do you think of this one? Don't show me your indicators. What do you think? I put the eye there before price was there, of course. Now, how much juice do we have, right, to push up hard? Personally, if I were, if you took this trade, then I would already be break even. Right? Here's the execution. Break even already, because it makes no sense to drop into this one again. So now let's hold for target. IST says he will go live. Did that happen? I did not see him go live yet, but I will definitely watch. Could you please explain relation between EU and GU EG? Yeah, so it's correlation between the pairs. So if you want to, for instance, today DXY went bearish, right? So that means GU and EU will go up. Now, which one do you want to buy? Which has the least resistance, right? If you look at EG, if EG is moving up, that means if EG is moving up, it means the pound is weaker than the euro. So if you believe higher time frame order flow is bullish, then you buy Euro USD and you don't touch GU for buys, because EU will be easier to buy, the least resistance. I also see inverted head and shoulders there on gold, so might make some move to take out the stop. I mean, I think we'll draw up here. That price action wise, what I'm seeing right now, that would make the most sense to me, because I still want this daily, right? Let's go to 5. I still want this daily OB get hit. This up here around, what is it? 1838 before we move down. So right now we fully mitigated all the imbalances on the 5, so there should not be a move down, in my opinion. On the 15 is also rebalanced. Yeah, so everything is rebalanced right now. So we need to go to another pocket of liquidity, which should be up here. So yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. Alright guys, I'm quickly gonna catch up with Telegram messages, because I'm getting a lot right now, so I will read chat in a few minutes again. There we go. There we go. Up about 35 pips now. We're in a fair value gap, so I could partial, but I really think these highs will get hit, so I'm gonna... Alright, I'll take off 30%, that's fine. So we should hit this, and then we should move down. Yes, Jimmy, we'll have one in an hour, so I will be streaming for like 20 more minutes, and then we'll have one later. I'm off OT gang. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you, BCY Production. Thank you for joining once again. EU on a daily time frame. Do you think those bearish OB on left are valid POI? I mean, we're trading into premium right now, so these two little ones, I guess you'd mean those. The way price action looks like right now, it could be accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution for higher pricing. So we'll have to wait how price action develops. Are you looking at the 10th of February to go short on gold? 10th of February? What? I'm actually looking at this bearish order block over here on the daily. I know it's hard to see right now with all the annotations. This one. How long have you been teaching and doing YouTube videos? I literally just have a free Telegram channel where I started with in October last year. And we had around, I would say like 100 or 150 people in the Telegram for about until March or start of April. And then all of a sudden like 1,000 people came in. I guess because I put in like daily anticipations and draw on liquidity and analysis and that kind of stuff, which is pretty accurate. And people are learning from those charts. So really appreciate everyone who is in the Telegram, right? So and YouTube videos, I just started doing them like a few months ago. Because a lot of people were asking me questions on Telegram, and I simply cannot answer everyone because it's too much. I cannot guide everyone personally, right? I just don't have the time for that. So good thing I partialed a little bit at least, so I would not be mad because we're retracing right now. So we have one range, two range, three range, and now another range. So we have a lot of ranges right now in all this price action. In EU 1 minute, where would you break a mark structure? After we take out these lows. Because, no, actually I would not call break of mark structure yet. When we take out this one, trade back up, make a failure swing and then move down, and then I would say it's valid. But it's already showing signs it wants to move lower, right? Because we have this fair value gap OB here, which is rejecting, and you could say this one is the last swing low. So now it needs to trade back in this small range, which it did. It tapped premium just slightly, and then it should move away. Gold doesn't like me, apparently. I should have just partialed more, I guess. Strange price action, but I guess these equalize. If it is breaking down, it apparently it wants to leave these equal highs intact or something. But yeah, it's fine. Yep, I guess it doesn't want to take out the equal highs. It's fine. So at least we partialed a little bit, right? Up here. And we're stopped at break even on the rest, so. You're welcome, Hassan. Yeah, it could be waiting for equity open. Would be unfortunate if he just rocket up right now and just stop me out by literally... Alright. Why though? Right? I mean... Alright. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. Right, pretty sure we should draw into this like I drew before when price was here, right? I thought we might head into a little bit higher, but we slightly tapped into the fair value gap, as you can see. So that was enough. And we're gonna move into my eye. Into my eye. Alright. But do you guys like this when I put like areas of interest and then the eye where it should draw into, so we can anticipate where price should head into? Let me know. Absolutely, J on freeze. Alright. Alright guys, that's good. Yes. I hope it's helpful. You can sort of see what I'm looking for, right? Just same with gold. Same with gold, right? If I replay it, like, right? Put the eye down here when price was here, right? And why? Why did I do that? And let me remove this. No, let me keep that one on. So equal highs, right? Let's break this down. Equal highs, target, right? Then where are we reacting off? We're in an uptrend. We've recently liquidated this low. So sell side liquidity has been taken. Now we have accumulation. Hold on. Accumulation. Manipulation into an OB, unmitigated, right? In discount. Then we move. God damn it. Distribution upwards. And then equal highs. Now let's remove this range. Then we have another range, right? This is equilibrium. So as soon as it hits there, it's in discount, right? That's why the eye is there. That's why I thought the gold would run higher, but it went from imbalance to imbalance. That's my style. It doesn't want to take these equal highs. I think it's maybe for FOMC tonight. FOMC, I mean, Mr. Powell is gonna speak, so maybe later. EU is slowly getting to target. That's easy 25 pips from this fair value gap down here. I prefer the bull eye. Do we have one? We have this one. Then it needs to be red. And it's pretty thick, I'm not gonna lie. It's thick, boy. Thick. I'll keep with the eye. Good, Hassan, good. If you look at 10th of May on gold, there's also a lot of equal highs not taken out, and we still went down. Gotta give some money to the retailers too. Yeah, true. True, I was actually looking, I think Friday. Yes, I was. I still have a alert there. Yes, I mean sometimes it leaves it intact, it's fine. Right, so indices nuts. Yeah, I think it's still bullish. Could trade back into this OB and then move up further because there's still this imbalance and equal highs. So personally, for a longer term trade, I would look for buys. Because also, if DXY goes bearish, most of the time indices go up. Time to make a move now. Great work, Tom. Keep it up, man. Alright, Hassan, thanks for joining, man. Alright. I have to prepare some stuff. and I need to walk my dog and have something to eat. So guys, it was not a super long stream, just 1 hour and 15 minutes I guess, or something, or a little bit longer. But I hope you guys like that gold read, right? This one with the eye and then move up. I broke it down earlier, so I hope you picked up something about that one. Right now, yeah, I really gotta head off. So guys, I hope you have a great day. Get some profitable trades, and otherwise we'll speak in the Telegram channel, guys. And I'll update charts again tomorrow morning, pre-London, right, as always. Say what's up to the doggo, sure. Alright, thank you guys, much love. Hit the like button and subscribe button if you haven't already, to stay updated. And the Telegram channel, OTE's Chart Lab, is still on the screen, so if you're not in there, hop on in there and enjoy the daily analysis. So guys, take care, and we'll speak soon. Alright, bye guys.
Oh yeah guys, don't forget to hit the like button or the rise.